Hello again. I'm going to be doing some subtraction problems in this video, and I just want to be clear about how to do it step by step. It is very similar to subtracting numbers, two-digit, three-digit numbers normally, except it can be more difficult to line up our place value. And that's always the first step. So again, on Jamboard, I'm switching to my pen, and I'm going to just start writing these questions out top down. So I'm going to write 1 decimal 2. Below it, I'm going to subtract, and I'm going to put the decimal down first. I love to line up my place value that way. And 0 decimal 3. And it's a lot easier if you take your time when you're writing like that. I didn't take my time on my line, but that's okay. We do need to regroup sometimes. So I don't have enough to subtract 3 from 2. So I am going to borrow from the next place value, even though it's on the other side of the decimal. So this 1 is going to become a 0. And this 2 becomes a 12. 12 subtract 3 is 9. And then I have 0 left to subtract here. So this decimal still needs to be there, right? We're not going to have 9 left over. We didn't even have close to 9 to start. So we still need to keep our decimal, and we have 9/10. So that'll be the same process on these ones. The trick is when you get to these word problems. When you get to a word problem, it's important to make sure that you understand what is being subtracted or added together. And in these questions, they are going to be all subtraction. It says, Sarat and her family were driving to a restaurant. The restaurant was 34.2 or 34 2/10 minutes away. They had already driven for 20 3/10 minutes. So how much driving time did they have left? So they started, but this is the total amount they needed to go. They have already driven 20 3/10. So that means we can subtract what's taken away to see what is left. So I will write out 34 2/10. In top-down form, subtracting, I'm going to put my decimal and then my number below. So the lining up the place values, nice line, subtract, and I'll follow the same steps. So I will need to regroup again to get my answer. So that is it for these slides. Again, there are more questions here, 3, 4, 5. All have another word problem. Again, just figure out what it's asking you. These are all subtraction questions.